to Ojo the Crocheting Sailor. I'm Andrea, and I'm coming on to do a Memorial Day giveaway. So in my live, a pop-up live I showed this big old huge box of yarn. Now I'm going to show you what I put in there. Now you had an opportunity to at least see 2 skeins of yarn if you were already in the live. So let's go ahead and get right into the box. You will get 2 skeins of I Love This Yarn. Super soft yarn. Yes, this is very pretty. The name of this yarn is Dark Neons. And this is from Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. And it is 100% acrylic. It's a medium weight 4, and it's 252 yards each. So if you want, you can keep up with how many yards it is. I will tell you and let you know that this is a 5-pound box. I already weighed it. These are medium weight 4s. This yarn is Studio Classic by Nicole. I'm pretty sure I got this yarn from AC Moore when it was open. This is made in Turkey, and the colorway is called Raindrops. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. And let's see, it is 260 yards. That's 238 meters. Wow, this is gorgeous. So you get 2 of those. You will also get this beautiful Red Heart with Love metallic. If you do hats for Hat Not Hate, you can use this ball of yarn. That's why I purchased it. All of this yarn is coming from my stash, so I'm really excited to offer these to you. This is called Royal. And let's see what the yardage is. It says 99% acrylic and 1% other fibers. The other fibers would be that beautiful metallic that's running throughout. And it's 200 yards. It's 183 meters. Very beautiful. So if you choose to donate to Hat Not Hate and do hats for them, you can do that as well. Here is a Studio Classic by Nicole. This is a beautiful deep green color, and that is what the color is called, deep green. And it's a medium weight 4. It's 100% acrylic. It's 372 yards. It's 340 meters. And it's 200 grams. And it's 7 ounces. This is a beautiful, rich green color. So machine wash warm. And then do not bleach. And your iron low. And tumble dry on normal low heat. This is gorgeous. I love that. Okay, let's get to a fun color. How about this Ferris wheel? This Ferris wheel from Lion Brand. Look at these beautiful colors. You're going to get a light blue. And this is twisted yarn. So it's twisted with various colors in there. Twisted with a yellow, a orange, red, green, purple. And it's a medium weight 4. It's called Vintage Carousel. Oh man, myriad of different colors. It's 270 yards. It's 247 meters. It's 3 ounces and 85 grams. Machine washable and dryable. So I love that. I'm sure the winner will have fun with that. Let's see, is this another one? Here is another Vintage Carousel. So you'll receive 2 of these. You can do something great with that. Also, I have another Ferris wheel. is still 270 yards, 247 meters. And this is called Imaginary Garden. And you're going to think about all different shades of green, from a light, medium to dark green. It also has some purple wound in there and blue. And it's twisted together. Very gorgeous colorway. Next, we have a Studio Classic by Nicole. And it is a violet mix. Very beautiful and pretty. And you have light, medium, and dark shades of purple, and also blue running throughout. And let's see, it is 260 yards, it's 238 meters. That's 140 grams. Yes, look at this one. Gigantic, ginormous Caron pound, 1 pound. This is called Royalty. It is a royal blue color. It's a medium weight 4. Anyone that wants to do hat not hate, that's why I bought this. So hint, hint, if you would like to do this or use this for that. If not, you can use this 1 pound, which is, it says 16 ounces, 453.6 grams. So that's 812 yards. It's 742 meters. This beautiful royalty color, you can do a nice shawl. You can do a blanket. So many different things with that. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. I have some rolling yarn. It's filling up my table. Okay, let's go with a solid. I wanted to do red, white, and blue, but like I was saying in my live, the white I don't have access to right now. So I couldn't do red, white, and blue. I didn't have it available. But you have blue and you have red. This is a beautiful tomato red. Isn't it like a fire red? The color is called tomato. And this is Craft Smart. I love Craft Smart yarn. If you haven't worked with this, you're going to love it. It is nice and soft, and it is easy to work with. It's 100% acrylic, and you're going to get 354 yards, 7 ounces, which is 324 meters, and 198 grams. I love the pop of that tomato red color. Gorgeous. Last but not least, in the box, we have another mandala. This is from Lion Brand, and this colorway is called Warlock. Very beautiful. So you start in the middle, in the center with this beautiful tan color. It goes out to a light beige and then a beautiful mustard, and it tapers out to a kind of a pea green color that's poking through there. It's hidden underneath that mustard. And then you get this teal, and it goes out to a rust color, purple, and then it goes to a light shade or lavender, light lavender color, and then a tan on the outside. This is gorgeous. And they also have a chart on how it's worked up. One ball will make a scarf. This is gorgeous. It's 5.3 ounces. It's 150 grams. It's 590 yards, which is 540 meters. This is machine washable and dryable, and this is a lightweight 3. Okay, lightweight 3. Beautiful. So this is it. So let's get into what you have to do in order to enter the giveaway. Today is Memorial Day. This is the 30th, And this giveaway starts right now, and it will continue until the 9th of June at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This giveaway is worldwide. I am asking that you make sure that your country will allow you to receive this package. Any duties, taxes, or fees associated with you receiving this package will be your responsibility. Also, you must be 18 years or older to enter this giveaway. YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway in any shape or form. I purchased this with my own money. This is coming from my stash. I ask that you be subscribed to my channel. Turn that bell on so you don't miss any notifications. And you can put in the comments whatever you like to say. If you want to say something about Memorial Day, or you can say whatever you like in the comments. So thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in and for checking out my giveaway. Thank you for using my affiliate links and everything like that. I greatly appreciate you. All the rest of the rules will be in the description box down below. Check out my social media. I'll see you on the YT streets. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. Bye for now.